Hi guys, today I'm very excited because I just received this LZHOME LED corner floodlight, which I think it's very nice and it's for ripping purposes. It comes with the floor light, the stands, you put them in here, the adapter to the energy, and the plug. Just plug it like this part connected. But what I'm gonna do is first assemble it. You just need to take the body of the floodlight, and here comes all you need to assemble it. Here in the instructions tell us how to do it, so we're gonna follow it. Has a 180 degrees to one side and 170 degrees to the other side, so you can put it on the way you like it. We're gonna take this protective film off and put it up on the floor, and now we can connect this cable. It goes right here. Just press this kind of. There it is. Okay, now it's ready. You can control the lights 3 different ways. With the controller, as we have seen, change the mode. You can also control it with this little button that has on the plug, which is really nice in case you've lost the controller. Or either way, you can use an application that comes in the manual how to install it to change the colors, the brightness. Okay, and you can, as you can see, you can use it to control even with your voice. I'm talking upon the microphone and you can see the light moving, so it's really nice. I like that function. And you can also set different types of modes upon your phone. Adjust the speed, that brightness. You can also program it to turn on at any time you like, from hours to hours. So it turns on, let's say, up in the morning, and it turns off in the night. And yeah, it's really nice. You can control it with the voice, which is really nice, up on the phone, which I like a lot. It's really nice. So I would really recommend this corner floodlight. It's really nice, and it has some amazing colors, which I think are gonna make everyone amaze themselves.